One of the most frequently asked questions is that तैयारी शुरू कब करें? When should you actually start preparing for 2024? Well, the time is now. If you are a working student and you cannot afford a lot of time per day, why not increase the number of days? Prepare for a year and do a little study every day, devoting more time on the weekend, and you will also have some time for yourself that way. If you are a person who's taken a drop, then anyway, your best bet is to give it a year and make sure that you are working on your basics, especially when it comes to a section like BARC. It is largely based on reading skills, and reading skills is not something that can be improved overnight, and therefore it's a good idea to spend a year. If you don't really have a year, then anywhere between 6 to 8 months is a good time. If you are a person repeating for CAT, then of course anything close to 3 to 4 months, because you just have to revise the basics and take the mocks, is what you can do. Anything between 8 to 12 months is ideal according to me, because it helps you improve the various weaknesses, it helps you to work on the various areas and shortcomings, and that's how you can really crack it. बाकी तो जैसा मोहम्मद अली ने कहा है, make the days count.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.